want to punch whoever designed this.
Ooh. We were able to get this done.
Like it raw?
See, easier tasks first because I'm getting into the routine of being productive without being overwhelmed right away. Dawn. I feel like if it can get the grease off these dogs, it can get Ebola or anything that they have. Salmonella, whatever was on here. Damn, it's been productive. It's not even 9 a.m. But what I like to do is write my to-do list for the day because, like, one thing about me, I'm a Virgo, so I love a list. But sometimes I always felt like I wasn't checking the boxes on my to-do list. And I have so many, like, the notes app pages of, like, to-do list. But I felt like I really stuffed my pussy up is when I wrote it down. Like, writing it down in a notebook just kind of like makes everything just so much better. You feel? I think that's it. And then I have work later today. So, day's getting jam-packed. Welcome to my life. Anytime I do this, I'm like still debating the Bob. Like, you know, got my name Bob.
I was rolling on the floor when we were trying to get the screws.
Down here?
Yeah.
Oh, visual representation. Okay, blue collar. You're cute. You're really putting your whole publicity in this.
Back into it.
I know. Good job. Boyfriend of the year. Update. Chip has been working so hard. Round of applause. But this guy insists on having the balcony door open.
Hot.
It's freezing. So I have my hoodie on and then my hoodie on.
This is crazy.
But yeah, huge progress, baby. Huge progress.
The ches. This is the ches.
The L, I guess.
That's what they call it. And then we got the sofa. It's a little tipsy right now. But she'll sober up soon. I got the frames pretty much done. So
Proud of you.
Next step is like the cushioning and the legs. So they can walk. Hopefully not. But
Okay,
you know what I
do
mean.
you need any help with anything?
Not yet, but maybe later.
Okay, scream if you need help.
I will yell.
Yo! Ooh, raise the roof. I just got this random urge to change the bed sheets. Like, the pillowcases are definitely crumpled because I do this thing where I like to leave the things in the dryer for over a week. It still smells hella fresh, so like, I want to win. But one day, I'm calling it. One day I'm gonna be that girl that be steaming the sheets in the morning. I remember I saw Jackie Aina do that, and I said, inspo. Like, she goes and takes a shower, but before she hops in the shower, she puts her towel in the towel warmer, and then when she makes her bed, she steams her sheets. I said, damn! Every single time, like, her sheets must be crisp. Like, if I lived like that every day, like, I would shave my legs. Because the feeling of shaved legs and clean sheets, unmatched. Like, I feel like that is, like, peak endorphins. Girl, what is that? plate. Blueberry bagel with butter, 2 strips of bacon, and this brock up egg because the egg yolk cracked. But that is for Chippendales. I'm stealing half the bagel because that's my fee. Let's go give it to Mr. Chippendales.
Hello.
Hello, mate.
We're trying Jada's creation.
The yolk broke, honey.
That's okay.
So it's not
looking juicy.
as gooey as he usually likes it.
Just
Okay, tear it up, tear it up. Crunchy. I personally, don't really like super crunchy bacon. I like it, not al dente, but I hope you understand what I mean.
like it raw?
See, that's not what I mean.
If it ain't this, it means it's wrong.
Okay, crazy pants. And then your bagel. Do you need a coffee? Nice. Top up?
Probably.
Damn, the font on this is tore up. Buddies, let's go get him some milk coffee. Yeah, she's done. I'll give him some of mine because I'm very guilty of always taking 5 sips and leaving it, and then at 4 p.m. he's like, "You didn't drink your coffee, can I have it?"
Hola.
Hola, senorita. I'll put it on this Christmas coaster.
Do you want a bite?
No, I don't. Bye.
It was delicious. Thank you. Thank you very much, senorita.
Hard at work. Okay, your girl has been on her Zoom. She's been working and just knocking down that to-do list. So when I want to be super productive, I play music. Because usually what I used to do is I would like have a show in the background. That's setting me up because it is very easy to just stop, stare, and ooh, that episode ended juicy. Let me watch the next one. And what I like to do is do easy tasks, the easier tasks first, because I'm getting into the routine of being productive without being overwhelmed right away. And if you're also an ADHD baddie, like myself, I take medication, and as soon as I take my medication, I do easy tasks, or small things like change the bed and stuff like that, so that like when it kicks in, I'm already being productive, because there's been times where it kicks in and I'm like scrolling on my phone. Oh, I just don't stop. So that's a lose-lose. I have to like figure out little things for Chip's birthday. Like, will this video be out before his birthday? Probably not. Okay, so let's talk about it. Little things for his birthday that has to get shipped on time, because right now, like, we currently have a postal strike in Canada. That's been going on for quite a bit, but I made sure that I picked places that weren't using Canada Post. One of those things is an espresso, and we just ran out of coffee. And he's like, shit, we need to buy more. Like, he wants to buy this big, massive pack of like coffee grounds, and I was like, because like low-key I've been like rationing them so that he doesn't like run and buy the coffee, because like the Nespresso is on its way. Like, we don't need that anymore. Like, we be getting pods. And then we're going to on Friday, like, he's like, I really want to go. He told me in July, and I bought them in July. So I've been holding on to the secret for a little too long, and I'm getting antsy. And I think Sagittarius people love me, like, because Melly Baby and then Chippendales is Sag. So there has to be a correlation, or I love my Saggies. That must be it, to be honest. But I was going to tell you something, and goddamn, I don't even remember what it was. My brain just hit a circuit. Literally. Anyways, baddies, it's time for dinner. Chippendales, because he's working so hard today, girl. He is the most elite employee. Okay. My graver loves to tell me that. Whatever, she's annoying, not the point. So Chippendales is creamy burger, so you know. Kevin Gates meme. We got some patties on the frying pan, black pepper and garlic powder, and then I'm just like grilling, caramelizing some onions. We need a lamp in that section because there's no light, and you see how dark it gets. Oh, there is the employee of the month.
Very dark.
Very dark.
Just got the Christmas tree going.
I know, but he's working on the coffee table because the cushions on the couch need to inflate in 72 hours.
Which is 3 days. So it'll take a while.
And because we're making burgers, we put majority of the couch stuff in the bedroom because I didn't want it to smell like burger. Love you, Handy Mandy.
Love you, cutie chef.
Cutie chef. Let me put my apron.
Bitch, if you want a burger,
Get a burger.
eat a burger. Bitch, if you want a french fry,
Get your french
eat a french fry.
Here are the burgers. Yes, they are very lettuce forward.
Oh yeah.
However, we love lettuce.
Delicioso.
And here's mine. So we got some cucumbers to chew on and some pickles and another peppercini, but I cut some up and put in Chip's burger because he loves that. But we're trying this Jamaican ginger beer. You go first. My honorary Jamaican.
We just had ginger beer from Jamaica, and it's very, very close.
It's close, but it's not as strong.
It's not strong. It's close.
I feel the one in Jamaica kind of.
This does have that ginger snap.
Yeah, but it doesn't make you sneeze. Like, period.
Kiss.
The shoulder.
It's the caramelized onions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pickle. Crunchy. Oh, chips and love. Golly.
Really good.
Really good? Like, this guy is like, let's get into it, girl. Like, he's having the time of his life. Yay!
You outdid yourself.
Yeah, you outdid yourself.
What do you mean?
He's currently, this is the stage of the coffee table. Like, he's really did amaze today.
Made a dad.
Yeah, you did. Good job.
Thank you.
The building continues in this household. So far, here's the update. We were able to get this done, but now Chip is, you know, drilling for a villain. Couch is up. They said we're supposed to steam it, so we'll steam it potentially. I don't know if I have the energy to right now to steam it. I feel like it'll add to the aesthetic, so eventually I'll do it. Whatever. He's hard at work. He's a survivor.
Make sure you get my good side.
Chippendales, every side's your good side.
Thanks, baby.
But, period, he's been working so hard for us. So, it's slowly coming together. And then we have the cardboard on the floor because we're trying to figure out what size rug to get. And then update. Our fridge, I started adding things to the fridge and then I ran out of film. But, oof. So I want to have a Polaroid fridge. Hello!
What's she doing?
So Chip went to throw out our many boxes from the IKEA furniture, and then he saw this. Somebody was throwing this out, and he was like, "Do you want it?" I said, "We did say we need more storage, but I don't know." Like Chip was like, "Let's Lysol it." I was like, "No. We're gonna have to do a DIY car wash." I was letting it run, wash out with very hot water, and then guess what? Dawn. I feel like if it can get the grease off these ducks, it can get any Ebola or anything that they have from the garbage. Salmonella, whatever was on here. And it's giving squeaky.
Oh,
Wait,
okay.
can you hear that? Yeah, girl. Yeah, so she's clean. And then I used our mop or floor mop rag because I didn't want to use my rag. And so I can just throw this in the washer after, but she's all clean, but I'm just gonna let the water run. Do we pay for water? Okay, we're gonna let the water run. And then her DIY thrifting girl, under consumption girl. Furniture update. Chippendales bent over again. He had to come to his office because like the living room's dark. Oh,
It's so dark. And it's light here. I had to make drill holes first.
oh, he wants to tell you a story. Okay.
And, I'm just putting the screws in. I want to punch whoever designed this.
Ooh.
I hate this.
Okay.
It's such a bad design.
Wonder if whoever designed it was Mike Tyson, or Manny Pacquiao, or Muhammad Ali.
I'll send them some hate mail instead.
Hate man. Okay.
Yeah.
Cyberbullier.
Yeah, cyberbully, yes, exactly.
Oh my god. Did you guys know that movie Cyberbully with Emily Osmond? Like, I used to love that movie down. Like, it was very like Tumblr coded. Like, what was the song? Oh, come on, skinny love by Birdie. I used to sing that all the time. Wait, Chip, do you know that movie?
No,
Okay.
I am the cyberbully.
But coffee table almost done, girl.
Almost.
POV, out of breath. He's doing real good, girl. But I'm making dinner. Hey, we love pasta, but I love Parmesan. Ignore the carcasses. We divide the plate in half. This is Andrew's Parmesan, and this is mine. He says he loves Parmesan. He doesn't love Parmesan.
You love it too much.
Too much?
It's overdose.
No such thing.
No.
Has anybody, Olive Garden employees, have anybody ever overdosed on
I
Parmesan?
think so. Recorded somewhere.
His is so sad. Like, what is that? His looks like a mistake.